men talk a big game till they get a taste of a real woman. I done fed them, loved them, washed their clothes, kissed their lips, wiped their nose. You taste the sugar, you lose your teeth. Ain't no man alive can handle me. They say I'm too much woman for one small bed, too much thinking in this big old head, too much meat for their pride to see. Ain't no man alive can handle me. Yeah, they want a snack, not a meal, baby. Ain't no man alive can handle me. I'm fire dressed in melody. I shine too bright, I cut too deep. They talk that love, but they don't keep. I ain't no dog for some food to own. I worked this land till it turned my own. I gave my heart till my knees went weak. They love my laugh, but not my grief. Now, baby, they want the meal, not the woman that cooked it. They like it thin, they like it sweet, but I serve heat beneath the sheet. You taste the sugar, you'll fall to your knee. Ain't no man alive can handle me.